Welcome back. Now let us do the hands-on using the koRpus library. And what it is saying that since we had already done some work using the text stem, so we should go back to the just before the text stem. So let us run everything till the text stem. So I'm going to the top, running till line number 72 once more, so that we have the data, original clean data. And now let us run the library 105, line 105, running the library, and 108 we are defining few of the constants, basically making the bucket, and it really helps. So see, right now we are working with 200 records. If you work with say 100,000 or if say 1 million, it takes time. So and it has also asking the path of the tree tracker, the where we have installed. So that is because this algorithm needs, and 108 we are running, and we have defined few of the constant. 112 onwards we are running the for loop and doing the tree tagging, that is from and to for each of that bucket, that is around 100. And in case of koRpus, the tree tag is the function which really does the lemmantisation. And you can see the documentation, it has a very good documentation and explaining, and this is our data that need to be lemmantised. Tree tagger manual, this is the one of the option, and language English path has been already given, that we have just defined over here in line 108, and English is the setting. That's all. And I'll encourage you to see the documentation of tree tagger, because it has a lot of things and it's not necessary that you remember everything. Okay, sometimes I don't also remember, and it gives a lot of the data. I request you that you can play with this object itself, because it has a lot of the data. So I'm just basically cleaning up some of things so that we don't take unnecessary memory. And this is our lemmantised things, and that lemmantize what we need it. So just making it lower so that at least we have in simple form. Okay, and this is removing already which the words are with us, not lemmantised. And these are the few things which operations are doing, so that we are taking unique part of it. It means there should be duplicate and so on. Is it when lemmantisation? If you start debugging one by one, you will also find that is something called, these things are also there. So we don't need those. Whatever it cannot lemmantize, it will put the unknown, something like card and all. So we don't need. And then we are replacing. We are doing the search and replace. This is what we are doing, search and replace of the throughout. Okay. So how it is happening like this, and this is the again resetting the parameter. So how it is happening, that it is taking for 100 data, lemmantising it, and it is giving the option. It is giving the option that for this is the original word, and lemmantize what is this. That things we are, after extraction, those things we are replacing in the data which we have, which is under discussion. This is what. So this is, see, in case of for loop, I will suggest that you debug the for loop and go ahead one by one, and or what you can do, you can also go ahead without the for loop. Basically take the one round complete on your own. And how can you go ahead and take it? See, in this for loop means what? For loop is having something called row number from here to here. And if you see what is this sequence, let me show it to you, print to you. Sequence is 1 to 101. So start with the row number 1. So you can make it a hard code like this, and that 2 which is getting defined. So if you do this one, this will get automatically calculated. Or you can hard code the 2 to say 2, so that there are only 2 records, and then start going this line by line 117 onwards. you will see all the data yourself, and it will take some time to understand. So it will not happen within one view, because it is a little bit difficult or tough library, but does the very good work. It does very good work. I have the work and I have find it out. It is very good library. So let us go ahead and run this for loop. 112 to 152. I'm running in one go, and it is keep on doing it. And if you see what it is doing, so during lemmantisation, what it has done, it has replaced included by include, range by ring. It may be the wrong, led by this may be also wrong, I'm not sure, because since we have the data which is not clean, then definitely it will give the wrong output. Cleaner by clean, it is good. Fiberglass by this fiberglass, it look good. Now this is again. So one thing I would like to mention, especially in the text mining, if you have the good data, you will get output good. But if you have very dirty data or not clean data, then definitely output will have that impact, because it really sometimes not possible to do the 100% cleanup. Okay, and 154 is a detaching it. So that's all the lemmantisation is done using the koRpus. And I will suggest that please walk through this for loop one by one steps. And if you find you are not able to understand, please put it in the discussion board. I'll help you again. Okay. Thanks for watching it. See you in the next video.